Hi everybody, this is Justin Gatlin with some Logos Bible software tutorials. I want to show you today a quick and easy way to keep your Greek and Hebrew text lined up so you can have your English in one place and Greek and Hebrew scroll seamlessly in the other. Let's get started. So I'm going to first just open up a Bible here. I've got my English Bible. So I have my interlinear open from taking some screenshots for somebody for something else. So now I am going to open up my Greek text. So for me, just to show you, I'm going to type VHS. You can use whatever Greek text you want, and I'll select type Bible. I open VHS up, and then I'm going to use UBS 5 for my Greek text. I'm going to open that up as well. Now you can see I've got my English here and my Greek and Hebrew there. This is not ideal because I want to be able to bounce around and have it all in place. So I'm going to go to this little drop down arrow right here, see on the top right, and I'm going to go to the info pane right here. You can also press Control-Shift-I to bring that up immediately. And I'm going to scroll down to series. This is really designed for like multiple volumes of a commentary. So if I'm in the Word Biblical Commentary in Matthew and type in a reference in Genesis, it'll switch, even though it's not the same book. So I am going to type original dash language. I'll do Control A and Control C to copy that so I get it exactly the same. And now I'm going to press done. And so now this has been added to a made up series called original dash language. I'm going to go to VHS. I'm going to do the same thing. Scroll down to series. Paste. Original dash language. I'm going to press done. Sometimes it seems to me like when you change a series, you need to close out of it to get it to update properly. Like sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So now I've opened UBS up. Now I'm going to go to home and then down to link set. I'm going to set this to link set A. And I'm going to do the same thing in my ESV. Go to link set A. Okay. So now both of these are set to link set A, and you can see they'll scroll together. When I scroll in English, it will scroll in UBS 5 as well. However, what's cool is now if I scroll up to the Old Testament, you can see that it switches from UBS to VHS. And so I'm able to keep it with me, whatever I've got going on. I also want to go ahead and go to formatting. And under emphasize, I want to turn on corresponding words. So I've got it set to corresponding words, click for same lemma. And then corresponding text in other books, I'm going to do search result and text selection. I'm going to do the same thing in formatting for this. I want corresponding words, same lemma on click. And I want corresponding text in other books, search result, and text selection. What that means is that now, if in the ESV, I want to look up this word father, ab, I can right click it. I can do an inline search for that lemma. So I right click it, I go down to lemma, and then I go down and I do an inline search right here. And it's going to bring it up in the ESV. And it's also going to highlight those words in the VHS. If I scroll here, it's going to scroll there, but it won't be filtered like this is. I can highlight like David vowed again, and you can see it's going to sympathetically highlight it on the other side. So if I am looking for a Hebrew word and I can't find it, or I can't remember what it is or whatever it may be, a Greek word, having this set up will let those stay synced. So I think this is a pretty basic Logos feature that is pretty powerful, that if you're not familiar with, then you are missing out on something that'll make your life a whole lot easier. So I hope this is helpful to you as you are studying God's Word today, and God bless you. Have a great day.